When we're finding a graph of an inequality, there's some things that you need to remember. First thing is, just look at the line, forget about the shading and forget about the solid and dashed. See how they all look the same? They cross -4 and 5, -4 and 5, -4 and 5, -4 and 5. Whenever this happens, you do not need to graph it on Desmos calculator because it's going to give you the same line for all of them. So that's out of the question. This set is for you guys to remember some little key things that whenever you're graphing. First thing that you look at is the symbol. Remember we talked about, does it have the line on the bottom? Yes, it does. So automatically you can get rid of 2 of these. If it has the line, it's a solid line. If it doesn't have a line, it is a dashed line. In this case, it's a solid line because it has a line on the bottom. So it is not G or J. Those are out automatically. So now we're stuck between F and H. They're both with a solid line. Now the difference between these two is just the shading. One is shading under the line, which is this one right here, and this one is shading above the line, which is this one right here. The easiest method to remember is look for the y-intercept. Here's my y, I go all the way down, and here's my number right here, which is a -4. On this one, y, it's the same thing, which is a -4. It says, give me the numbers, which is the y numbers, which are these numbers right here, that are less than that number. Again, give me the numbers on the y-axis that are less than my y-intercept, the -4. So if I am shading, I am looking for the numbers that are less than -4, that means I'm going to go down. So all these numbers right here on the bottom have to be shaded. Now look over here. See how these numbers are not shaded? They're saying, you know what? No, I'm going to shade the top ones, which is a greater than, which is not this symbol. Because it's pointing to it, it is less than. So all the numbers that are less than, o más chiquitos, smaller than -4, are down here, and that's why we shade this one. So this one is not it right here. So that means that our answer is this one, just by looking at the shading.